going up the stairs. On his 6th birthday, 8th of July 2007. All the way up the stairs, they're getting there, getting there. Who's gonna win the race, Dad or William? Oh, can we see them? I see them getting ready. Getting their mats down, ready to go. They're all ready. Daddy's getting ready. We'll zoom out and see them go down. Who's gonna win? They're coming down together. Oh. I think Daddy just made it past William. How was that? Oh, William behind these people.